today we're sending a couple of our cats off to the vet.
Callie is sick. Oh, she looks so sick. Oh, Spooky is sick.
So fingers crossed they get better soon. Hey guys, it's Alana from Tenerife Horse Rescue, and today we're sending a couple of our cats off to the vet. Spooky, you might have seen some videos of lately. They have leukemia. So it's necessary to go off to the vets for some treatment sometimes. And on this side we have our lovely Calliecat. We saw that she had some symptoms like a cold with running eyes, a running nose, and struggling a little bit with breathing. We've had some lovely volunteers looking after her and giving her lots of cuddles in the night time. Now she's off to the vets to get checked and get some medication.
Sí. Vale, primero. Vale, ok, gracias.
Ella es fácil para ponerle gotas en casa. Tratamiento para los ojitos, porque mira, esto aquí está inflamado.
Sí.
La pepilla de agua bonita. Y eso va a ir de
Ay, que no me choca. ¿Verdad? Muy bien. Ay, qué buena, qué buena. Uy. Normalmente es él. ¿Eh?
Sí.
Normalmente
¿Qué pasa,
se
niño?
enfada. Muy bien. Buena chica. No. Ven, bonito, ven. Ya está. No pasa nada.
So we just got them back. Everything went well for Spooky and was an absolute champion. And for Calliecat, we now have eye drops and medication to give her every 4 hours. So fingers crossed they get better soon.